Changing your emergency contact in Workday is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is up to date. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select View Profile to access your personal information. Step 3. Access emergency contacts. In your profile, look for the Personal Information section. Within this section, find and click on Emergency Contacts to view your current emergency contact details. Step 4. Edit your emergency contact. After accessing the emergency contacts, you will see an option to edit or add a new contact. Click on the Edit button next to the existing contact or the Add button if you want to include a new one. Fill in the required fields with the updated information. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have made the necessary updates, ensure you click the Save button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your emergency contact has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your emergency contact information current in Workday. Regularly reviewing this information is a good practice to ensure your safety and well-being at work.